All right, so I was supposed to go golfing this morning, but there's a hurricane. So they closed the golf course, but I think we can still make it work. They did take in all the flags, so I'm gonna have to make my own flag. But I live on a par 3, so I might as well still try to make it happen while I can. So yeah, I'm gonna make a flag real quick, and I'm gonna head out there and still enjoy a day on the course, hurricane or not. So we'll see how it goes. All right, after review, I didn't have any poles to make a golf course, so I'm gonna use an old fishing pole, and I'm gonna use this window flag that I got from going to a Lightning game. All right, I think I'm all set. All right, we have everything we need to enjoy a nice hole of golf during a hurricane. We just gotta go over there. It'll be great. A little wet out here, but it should be fine. It's not perfect, but it'll work. We just gotta get to the tee box. I'll be all right. All right, we're gonna play it at 150 with the wind at our back some of the time and not at our back the other some of the time. First ball's in the water. Can't say I didn't expect that, but we brought 2 more, so it's fine. All right, so we're just over the green on that. I think the wind got a hold of her, to be honest with you, but we got one more. See what we can do. We gotta go see if we can find these balls. So they're not on the green. The green's not very green. They're not in the sand. Oh shit.